She has an adrenaline dump right now. That's an adrenaline dump, okay? After something like that, you want to go ahead and pull off on the side of the road and relax a little bit. All right, narrowly misses head on. Okay, Cool Breeze Rider, what's up, man? Whoa, a little bit too... Oh, check your pantalones on that one. That was a little bit of a... You're okay? Yeah. When your eyes are that wide like that, that means it's adrenaline really hit in and you're like trying to capture as much light. When you're doing this, that wide-eyed moment is that fight or flight. You know what, Cool Breeze? Contact me. I'm going to send you a rescue kit. Because you're always in these videos, man. You're always riding with people and you're always capturing these crazy things. If something happens, I want you to have what you need. Okay, here we go. Biker narrowly misses head-on collision. Okay, so she's going too fast for her ability. That's really what it is. We're going wide because we're going too fast for our turning and cornering ability. Remember, cornering, you need to look far ahead. You need to adjust your speed before the turn. You need to maintain good throttle control through the turn. You need to relax. Okay, relax. And you got to keep looking. You got to keep looking through and find that exit. So she went a little bit wide, and there's that blind corner, and it's very scary. Now, the moment, look, she starts to turn. So we start having a target fixation. We start going too fast, or sorry, we were going too fast. We had target fixation. We start going wide, and then all of a sudden, there's a car. Oh, crap. And that's what happened. So your focus was on the wrong thing. You got snapped back out of it. So honestly, the car probably saved her life. She was a little bit white staged in that moment. It turned her from yellow stage into white stage. She's back into now yellow, but then straight back into yellow or orange. And then it's like, oh crap, immediately we got to go into red and got themselves out. But we shouldn't be there in the first place. Very lucky. Very lucky. So when I was saying the wide eyes, because she has an adrenaline dump right now. That's an adrenaline dump. Okay, after something like that, you want to go ahead and pull off on the side of the road and relax a little bit, because now you're going to have that massive amount of energy and you're going to start making jerky movements. You're going to start thinking about the incident instead of thinking of what's supposed to be happening in front of you. So go ahead and pull off to the side of the road, check your pants, make sure there's nothing in there, and then move on with your day. But Cool Breeze Rider, please, please, please contact me. Here we go. Nice group ride.
Didn't like over
little close.
Place, so he decided to react, creating quite a threat himself.
Pretty close.
Whoa! What?
Whoa, dude. That was messed up. So it's not just car drivers being idiots, right? It's trikes. Just kidding. It could be anybody. Sharp. Ooh. Now, I know some clubs, the tail gunner will do that on purpose because you're not supposed to mingle with their club, so it's a safety thing for them. But still, it's like if you're just cruising by yourself and people want to get around you, don't be a turd. Don't be a turd. This looks like it was a group ride for everybody, and this guy was just being a turd bucket. Now he could pass. Now he could pass. Thank you. I appreciate it, sir.
I got you on camera.
What a turd. He almost crashed himself for doing that stuff. It might be a club.
That guy. You see him? Dude, he was trying to kill me.
Tried to hit him off the road. Like, big time.
You see my tie? You see the back?
That was, I think that was a club.
He pulled out in front of me.
Anyways, this is the tail gunner, so more than likely he is trying to protect his group and his club. It's some unwritten rule that I didn't even know about until recently. His group is up ahead. He's protecting them from anybody coming around and getting through them. He doesn't know if they could be a threat. More than likely, this is one of those things that happens with a 1%er club, but it's not something I'm going to have my crew do. We're not doing this crap, okay? It's not only unsafe for you as the tail gunner, it's unsafe for anybody else. We're not doing that. We're not worried. We're not worried anybody's gonna cut in front of us. No. So this person wants to pass. Now we're gonna want to pass, right? And there's that immediate like, no, you're not. And look how he almost crashed himself. And so we're kind of confused. We're like, what's going on? It won't let us pass and blah, 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 blah. So let's take a look at his attire. So he's got some rockers on the top. Okay, so probably has rockers on the bottom.
You see this? I got you on camera.
He doesn't care. He'll probably pull out a gun. Let's see what these other people look like. So that's what I saw. I saw another rocker. So I have a feeling that's the club he's a part of. So that's the captain, tail gunner in the back, probably communicating with each other on Cardo Pack Talk Bulls, which we have a link in the description, but probably not because they're being turds. They probably have seen us, right? Losers. Or is that a lane? I don't know. It doesn't look like a lane. Oh. Is that a lane? I don't understand the music here. So right here, what we're doing is we're getting through here. Going around the corner. Somebody wants to turn right. Okay, we start to do that whole concept of getting too close, getting far away, getting too close, getting far away. Right now, it's a small little dot. We start getting too close. And right here, we're going to have to do something. We have to do a red stage maneuver. We got to get ourselves out of here. We have to swerve. We have to emergency brake. We have to do whatever it is we have to do to get out of there. If you start to go into brown stage, which is either you don't do a single thing and you just go straight and hit something like in a target fixation problem, or you slam the brakes, or you swerve into the object. So right now, we did absolutely nothing. Did absolutely nothing. And thankfully, nothing happened, right? Thankfully, nothing happened. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment, so make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from RevZilla using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link, it helps me out, no extra cost to you, plus it lets RevZilla know that the DDiffin crew is pretty badass, and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link, I'll see you soon. All right, almost rear-ended when traffic came to a dead stop, so position for safety, find that escape path, find. There you go. Did a good job, got in that position for safety. So this right here is what I like. I want you to get this in your head. This is an amazing position for safety because we have good line of sight. So for position for safety, planning your ride, you need to look for a good line of sight. You need to have a good line of sight. You need to have good space cushions, and you need a good escape route. This is an amazing escape route. You got a good space cushion to the right and in front. Can't really swerve left because you're going to hit this vehicle. But look at your line of sight. You can tell what's actually happening here. This is really good stuff. Now, the problem is the vehicle behind you is not paying attention because the vehicle behind you is a white staged vehicle. They're zoned out. They're not paying attention. And that's kind of what happened. So whenever I come up to a stop, I like this spot because I'm off to the side and the vehicle behind me is trying to avoid me. They are slamming the brakes, means they're trying not to hit me, right? Well, if they're going to swerve, where do you think they're going to swerve? They're either going to swerve far right in this situation because, you know, there's construction. But if we're at a stop sign or a stoplight and there's multiple vehicles on each side and I'm kind of parked here, they're going to go for the gap, which is right here. So my hope is they're going to hit this vehicle and not me. I want them to hit this vehicle, not me. And the best way that can happen is if I get into this lane filtering position, and I could even get up to like here. I can actually lane filter because I have this escape path. They're going to hit the vehicle behind. So this is great line of sight. This is a smartish rider, not wearing full gear. Okay, so not using the A part, but we're doing this part, and this part. Glad we don't have to rescue anybody. Very, very important. Orange barrels equals orange stage. New quote of the day, Maniac. HD rider. New quote of the day. All right, LWR, here we go. We thought he was playing.
Here we have completely incomprehensible behavior of the driver's part who shows his dissatisfaction in a manner that is too aggressive.
You can see the car lights. Okay, he's right on his booty. Why are we slowing down? Oh, we're turning. Okay, that's fire. That's fair. Cross those as straight as possible. Very angry driver. Very, very angry. It's probably because he's driving the smart car that is probably 200 pounds. All right, make sure our buddies are safe. You know, we just passed them, or he passed us. Whoa! This is where having your Cardo Pack Talk bold and talking to your buddy and say, hey, watch out for the green doo-doo. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.